Hi everyone, my name is Madison and welcome to my channel. This is my go-to makeup look when I want to be glam without overdoing it or looking like I tried too hard. This look is classic, flattering, and photographs beautifully. If you are looking for an everyday neutral look that enhances your natural beauty, this is the tutorial for you. This makeup may be simple, but I will be sharing some of my favorite techniques that will really elevate your application for either yourself or a client. Let's get started. I always recommend starting out with clean, hydrated skin. And don't forget to sanitize before touching the face. Using eye drops helps reduce any redness and makes the eyes appear bright, white, and crystal clear. This is a great tip for any portrait photos. I suggest starting your application off with moisturizing the lips. This will prep the skin for long-lasting, more drying formulas later on. To continue preparation, I'm pinning my hair out of my face and applying primer. I love a pore-filling primer to make the skin appear smooth and flawless. I'm using one of my favorite drugstore foundations in a color that matches my self-tanner. A matte finish foundation photographs beautifully and will match any occasion. Ensure to blend out the jawline to hide any signs of demarcation and build up coverage in a patting motion when needed. I'm applying one of my favorite drugstore concealers underneath the eye. I recommend working one eye at a time to limit the time frame between liquid and powder. This will decrease product creasing and increase longevity. Don't forget to conceal the inner corner of the eyelid. This is an often forgotten location that needs attention. This simple step will really perfect your look. After blending the concealer with a damp sponge, I immediately load up my sponge with a loose translucent powder to set the concealer. This technique is often referred to as baking. Continuing with concealer, I'm applying the product to the center of my face to increase both coverage and brightness, and following with powder. Next, I'm trimming out the jawline with loose powder. This baking technique is applied right underneath the cheekbone for a soft contour. I love a bronze complexion, especially for special occasions. So I apply the bronzer to my hairline to toast the edges and to the cheekbones and edges of the nose for a subtle contour. Applying a banana powder or a yellow tinted powder is one of my favorite techniques to add brightness to the look. Applying banana powder to the high points of the face will add beautiful dimension without relying on shimmer. One of the essential elements to this look is a bold blush. A heavy blush application is very feminine and very photogenic. This next step is optional, but I love to glow. I'm applying a combination of highlighters to my cheekbones for some extra glam. After using several powder products, one of my favorite techniques is applying a setting spray with a damp sponge. This helps to blend the products together and give the face a more skin-like look despite wearing a lot of makeup. This eye makeup look is very minimal and actually requires zero eyeshadow. A tinted eyeshadow primer is essential to perfect the eyelid and prevent creasing. Follow your eyeshadow primer with a loose powder. Framing the face with a beautifully manicured set of brows is essential for a minimal makeup look, and definitely a non-negotiable for photos. To complement the complexion look created, I'm applying my bronzer to my eyelid crease to create an effortless monochromatic look with dimension. Blending with the eyes open allows you to see the shape that you're following to create definition. I love this trick when attempting to manipulate the eye shape. To continue this cohesive bronzed look, I'm smudging bronzer underneath the lower lash line. Using my favorite drugstore liquid eyeliner, I'm applying a thin black line on the upper lash line. For the perfect thin liquid liner application, I use a small stroking technique, allowing for blinks between strokes. This works for self-application and for clients. For the waterline, I'm using a nude pencil liner to make the eyes appear brighter and whiter. Here, you can compare the difference between nude eyeliner and no eyeliner. I'm curling the lashes before applying a generous coat of mascara to the upper and lower eyelashes. Following the techniques used previously of using bronzer on the eyes, I'm utilizing my face highlighters to add a cohesive glow to the brow bone and inner tear ducts. The finishing touch of this eye look is a set of natural wispy lashes. False eyelashes are essential for any special occasion, especially if you will be photographed. After the adhesive is dried, I weave my natural and synthetic eyelashes together with a little mascara. This keeps my lashes comfortable and secure. This also gives them a more authentic look. I selected a lip combination that complements my skin tone. Avoid lip colors that are too light in color that may not appear in photos. Many nude or natural tones have a tendency to wash out the skin tone in photography, so I recommend selecting a shade that has a little more color to it. If you like the look of a lighter lip, try applying a nude color to the center of the lip for a more muted look. Last but not least, I'm reapplying my blush. I love a monochromatic lip and blush combination, and I've noticed that blush products are oftentimes the first to fade, so I reapply before I head out the door. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe.